Today we learn conditional formatting.
If I change the data cell color change. So let's start the video.
My boss gave me this Excel file. This file is an employee salary sheet. In this sheet, first slot, second slot, 4 slots are divided in this way. I need to do this. If I running the first calculation, all the cells will be the same color. If I closed it, it will be the another color. So let's do it very easily. First, we will color the cells and select them all. After that, click on New Role to go to Conditional Formatting. And select Use a Formula to determine which cells to format. And Apply Formula. Equal cell select and again equal quotation mark and type running again quotation mark and select color. Click OK and apply.
Again click the conditional formatting and type again formula. You call cell, you call quotation mark, closed quotation mark, select color and apply.
This way you can easily change cell color in one click. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and comment to learn new formulas.